Hi, my name is Richard Webster. I'm with a company called Ethoplex. Ethoplex is an internet provider based right here in Wisconsin. We provide high-speed, low-latency internet that's actually faster than fiber. It is great for voice over IP, remoting, VPN, and you can even comfortably stream video on it with no problems. Ethoplex is different from your traditional cable-in-the-ground style internet. We actually have towers all over southeastern and eastern Wisconsin. Rain, sleet, or snow does not affect this technology. Even in times of heavy precipitation, it continues to work. Check us out on Google, where we actually have a 4.4 star rating. Ethoplex is not a reseller of any kind. We are our own true peer-to-peer internet company. Give us a call today. We would love to answer all of your questions. 262-252-9000 or email us sales@ethoplex.com. Have a great day.